Okay, so somebody asked a question about a homework problem earlier today, so let's show them how to do it. Let's show him how to do it. Let's show him how, man. Let's show him how. Okay, so this was, somebody asked number 13 and 3.2. Ooh, better get some foci. Better get some focus going on. There. Great. Such a great device. Anyway, and the question was, find all C that satisfy the conclusion of the mean value theorem, the theorem we all know what it is. Shame on you if you don't. For some continuous function, how about f of x is x to the 1/3 on the interval 0, 1. Okay. So realize, here's your function. Let's take the derivative. F prime of x, it's just a power rule. 1/3 x to the minus 2/3. Okay. Realize that the a is 0, the b is 1. Okay. Remember what the mean value theorem says is there's a c in this interval, so that f prime of c equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And so we just solve this equation for the c, and we'll find all such c. Here's your derivative, put the c into it. That will give you this side right there. Okay? So it'll be 1/3 c to the minus 2/3. B is 1, a is 0, 1 minus 0. To do this, you got to go back up to f and put them into f, so you get 1/3, whatever. 1/3 c to the minus 2/3 is 1 to the 1/3 minus 0 to the 1/3 over 1 minus 0. Okay? Bringing this on down, you get 1/3 c to the minus 2/3. 1 to the 1/3 is 1. 0 to the 1/3 is 0 over 1 minus 0. Okay? Bringing it on down. 1/3 c to the minus 2/3. This side here is just the number 1. Multiply both sides by 3. You get c to the minus 2/3 is 3. Cube both sides. And you get c to the minus 2 is 27. Okay? Realize that c to the minus 2 is 1 over c to the 2. So 1 over c to the 2 is 27. Multiply both sides by c squared. Yeah? Yeah? Let's put it up here so you don't get confused. Let's put it up here so you don't get confused now. Okay, so multiply both sides by c squared. You get 1 is equal to 27c squared. Divide both sides by 27. You get 1 over 27 is c squared. Take the square root of both sides. You get c is 1 over the square root of 27 or minus 1 over the square root of 27. Yeah? Okay, now I'm going to simplify this. Yeah? So that's saying c is 1 over the square root of 9 times 3 or minus the square root of 9 times 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So you get two possible answers. C is 1 over 3 root 3 or minus 1 over 3 root 3. be careful. We want the 1 in the interval. I'll remind you what the interval was. You ready? Here it is right here. It is 0, 1. And so you can see one of them is not in that interval. So this one's out. Not in the interval. So the only answer is this one. C equals 1 over 3 root 3. Another way to write that is rationalize the denominator. So another way to write that, if you wanted to, is C is 1 over 3 root 3 and then multiply by root 3 over root 3. That's 1. Root 3 times root 3 is 3 times this 3 is 9. And so you get root 3 over 9. And that is the answer you see in the back of the book. With that being said, good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bed bugs bite.